Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your boring photo into crazy effect like this. Very easy guys, just watch the video till the end. Let's start. First step, open ChatGPT app. After opening ChatGPT app, you will see this interface. Now click on this plus symbol to open a photo. Now just click on photos and select your photo. After selecting the photo, just tap on Ask ChatGPT and just paste the prompt I have mentioned in the comment section, or you can just take a screenshot of the screen and copy the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt. Now just click on send. Picture is loading. By the way guys, if you are watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more crazy videos like this. Also do check out our WhatsApp and Telegram group because I do post prompts like this. If you don't wanna miss, go check out and join fast. Link mentioned in description. You can see before one and the after one. It looks amazing. And to download the picture, just tap on the photo. Just click on this download symbol.